Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. Today, we delve into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically the Pepe token. This digital asset has been making waves in the crypto space, but it's been facing some turbulence recently. The Pepe token price is currently hovering around 5/10,000ths of a dollar. It's been a roller coaster ride for Pepe holders, with a monthly return ratio showing a dip of almost 28%. Despite this, the yearly return stands at an impressive 152.87%. This token's market cap hasn't been left unscathed, standing at a hefty $2.1 billion. And with a total supply of a staggering 420.69 trillion tokens, Pepe is far from scarce. So, with these numbers in mind, let's ask the question, will Pepe succeed in reviving momentum? The Pepe token has recently displayed a bearish trend with significant profit booking. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does this mean? Well, let's break it down. In the world of finance, a bearish trend refers to a market condition where the prices of securities are falling, and widespread pessimism causes this negative sentiment to be self-sustaining. In simpler terms, it's a downward trend in the market. For Pepe, this bearish trend has been characterized by a significant amount of profit booking. Profit booking is when investors sell their holdings to cash in on the profits when the price is high. This selling pressure can lead to a drop in the price of a token, which is what we've seen with Pepe recently. But, what could have caused this bearish trend for Pepe? Well, it's hard to pin it down to a single cause, as the crypto market is influenced by a myriad of factors. However, we can speculate on a few potential contributors. One of the most prominent factors could be the overall state of the crypto market. The market has been quite volatile recently, with many tokens experiencing steep drops in value. This overall market trend could have had a knock-on effect on Pepe, leading to its bearish trend. Additionally, recent events could also have played a part. The crypto world is heavily influenced by news and events, both positive and negative. Any negative news or events related to Pepe or the wider crypto market could have led to a decrease in confidence, triggering a sell-off and contributing to the bearish trend. It's also worth noting that the bearish trend might not necessarily be a bad thing for Pepe. While it does mean that the token's price is currently falling, it could also present an opportunity for new investors to enter the market at a lower cost. The bearish trend is a significant factor in the current state of the Pepe token, but what do the technical indicators say? Technical indicators for the Pepe token suggest a continued bearish trajectory. Now, if you're new to crypto lingo, a bearish trajectory essentially means that the price of the token is expected to decrease over time. But how do we arrive at such conclusions? Well, through the use of technical indicators. Technical indicators are tools utilized by crypto analysts to predict future price movements of a cryptocurrency. They are based on historical price data and volume, and they help traders and investors decide when to buy or sell. Some of the common technical indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands. But for our discussion today, let's focus on support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are quite significant in understanding the price movements of a token. The support level is a price point at which a token's price tends to stop falling due to increased demand. In the case of Pepe, the support levels are at 4/10,000ths of a cent and 4.5/10,000ths of a cent. On the other hand, resistance levels are price points at which a token's price tends to stop rising due to increased selling. For Pepe, the resistance levels are at 5.17/10,000ths of a cent and 5.32/10,000ths of a cent. These levels are important because they can indicate potential price reversals. If a price breaks past a support level, it could indicate a further downward trend. Conversely, if a price breaks past a resistance level, it might suggest an upward trend. However, Pepe's current technical indicators suggest that it might struggle to break past its resistance levels. So, with Pepe's support and resistance levels in mind, along with its continued bearish trajectory, we can predict further retracement and underperformance. But what does this mean for potential investors? Investor sentiment plays a crucial role in any investment decision, and Pepe is no exception. Now let's delve into the current investor sentiment surrounding the Pepe token. In the world of investments, sentiment is a key driver. It's the overall attitude of investors toward a particular security or financial market. It's the vibe, the mood, the atmosphere, if you will. And right now, the vibe surrounding Pepe, well, it's not exactly euphoric. In fact, the sentiment is quite negative. This means that the majority of investors are bearish about Pepe's future. They're expecting further price drops and are hesitant to invest. This negative sentiment can create a self-fulfilling prophecy of sorts, as fewer investors are willing to buy, and more are looking to sell, further driving down the price. Now let's talk about something called social dominance. In the context of cryptocurrencies, social dominance refers to the percentage of social media discussions centered around a particular token. A high social dominance suggests that a token is popular and widely discussed, which can often correlate with its performance in the market. Unfortunately for Pepe, there's a downward trend in social dominance. This means that it's losing its share of the social media chatter. Fewer tweets, fewer Reddit posts, fewer YouTube videos. This can be a sign of waning interest or belief in the token's potential, which can, in turn, negatively impact its price. And then there's the follower data, another important metric. This refers to the number of people following Pepe's social media accounts or subscribing to its news feeds. A decrease in follower data suggests that fewer people are interested in keeping up with Pepe's developments, which again, could signal a lack of confidence in its future. So, given these factors, what could be the future for Pepe token? In conclusion, the Pepe token is currently experiencing a challenging period. The token's price has fallen below key support levels, indicating a bearish trend with significant profit booking. Over the past month, it has seen a return ratio of negative 27.8%. However, on the brighter side, it has managed to maintain a yearly return of 152.87%, highlighting its potential for growth despite the existing obstacles. Technical indicators suggest a continued bearish trajectory for the Pepe token, with support levels at 0.00004,800 and 0.0004600. Resistance levels are set at 0.0005170 and 0.0005320. The overall sentiment around the Pepe token is negative at the moment, illustrated by a downward trend in social dominance and follower data. It is important to note that while the current scenario seems tough for Pepe, the crypto market is known for its volatility and unpredictability. While the road ahead seems tough for Pepe, only time will tell if it can revive its momentum. Stay tuned to Make Money Territory for more updates on the crypto world.